welcome to Daniel Bro YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talking about an Apple MacBook Air 2020 version. MacBook Air 2020 model has many new features. Light and speed, the incredibly thin and light MacBook Air is now more powerful than ever. It features a brilliant Retina display, new Magic Keyboard, Touch ID, processors with up to twice the performance, one faster graphics, and double the storage capacity. The sleek wedge-shaped design is created from 100% recycled aluminum, making it the greenest Mac ever. Too. And with all-day battery life, our most popular Mac is your perfectly portable do-it or notebook. Starting at $999. Get the new MacBook Air starting at $899 in our education store. The MacBook Air is made with 100% recycled aluminum. MacBook Air is made with an aluminum alloy created by Apple that delivers the same strength, durability, and flawless finish, without mining any new aluminum from the earth. It's designed to use shavings of recaptured aluminum that are re-engineered down to the atomic level. The result is an enclosure as incredibly beautiful and strong as any we have made. 47% lower carbon emissions. 6000 series aluminum for strength and durability. Retina display 4 million pixels. One immersive experience. 13.3 high resolution Retina display. True tone technology razor sharp text clarity. 48% more colors with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 for over 4 million pixels. The results are positively jaw-dropping. Images take on a new level of detail and realism. Text is sharp and clear, and True Tone technology automatically adjusts the white point of the display to match the color temperature of your environment, making web pages and email look as natural as the printed page. With millions of colors, everything you see is rich and vibrant. The display glass goes right to the edge of the enclosure, so you can focus on what's on your screen. And you're going to love what you see. Apple D2 security chip. MacBook Air features the Apple D2 security chip, second generation custom Mac silicon designed by Apple to make MacBook Air even more secure. So when you use Touch ID to unlock your Mac, authenticate a document, or pay a merchant online, your information stays safe. With on-the-fly data encryption, all your data stored on the SSD is automatically and fully encrypted. And thanks to the T2 security chip, MacBook Air features a familiar voice. Hey Siri is always ready to open apps, find documents, play music, and answer your questions. Thunderbolt 3 one for all in one. Thunderbolt 3 combines ultra-high bandwidth with the ultra-versatility of the USB-C industry standard to create one revved-up universal port, and MacBook Air has two of them. Thunderbolt 3 integrates data transfer, charging, and video output in a single connector, delivering up to 40 GBs of throughput for twice the bandwidth of Thunderbolt 2. Existing devices are easily connected with a cable or adapter. And Thunderbolt 3 is reversible, so no matter how you plug it in, it's always right side up. The MacBook Air 2020 has powerful built-in apps. Every Mac comes equipped with a collection of powerful creativity and productivity apps, so you can get right to work or play. There are Safari, Mail, Siri, Reminders, Pages, Calendar, Messages, Photos, GarageBand, iMovie, Numbers and FaceTime. Easy to bring along. Totally brings it over all details. Up to 2x faster CPU performance, up to 4-core Intel Core i7 processor. Up to 80% faster graphics performance for up to 2 TB SSD storage. MacBook Air packs heavy-duty performance into just £2.80. The available quad-core Intel Core i7 processor delivers up to 2x faster CPU performance and up to 80% faster graphics performance. To help you power through everything from browsing the web to playing games to editing video. Up to 16 GB of high-performance 3733 MHz memory lets you work seamlessly even with multiple apps open. The fast SSD storage starts at 256 GB, double the capacity of the previous standard configuration. And it can be configured with up to 2 TB, providing plenty of room for all your movies, music, photos, files, and games. Force Touch Trackpad, more room for multi-touch gestures. The Force Touch Trackpad is one of the best in the world. It lets you interact with your Mac in a variety of ways based on subtle differences in pressure. You have precise control and a uniform response, no matter where you click the trackpad, as well as plenty of room for multi-touch gestures like pinch and zoom. Your fingers will feel right at home. The advanced security and convenience of Touch ID are built right into Macbook Air. Simply place your finger on the Touch ID sensor and, just like that, your Mac unlocks. Use your fingerprint to immediately access locked documents, notes, and system settings without entering yet another password. Online shopping is even easier. Select Apple Pay at checkout, and with just one touch you're done. No need to enter shipping or billing info, and your card details are never shared. With Touch ID, your private information stays private. Tips: quickly unlock your Mac without typing a password. Securely make online purchases with Apple Pay. Instantly authenticate password-protected documents.